27. The sage is always aligned with virtue. Wherever she goes, she spreads light. She leaves no trace. A midwife for truth, she furthers the Tao to everyone's benefit. Mindful, her actions and words never harm. Generous, she gives without keeping score. Perceptive, she anticipates, knowing where to be and what to do. She serves wherever injustice, imbalance, or needs arise. When she is finished, she moves on without need for credit, validation, or blessing. For the sage, the Tao is enough. Good travelers live for the journey, not the destination or the anticipation of arriving. Good scientists keep their horizons clear and their minds open. Visionaries cultivate intuitions and mystery, not plans. Discoveries never take place in journals without any blank pages. Silence at the right moment stops speech in its tracks. The best door needs no guard. Following the path of light, the sage gives herself to all encounters as a virgin block of wood awaits the lathe. Eternally receptive to the Tao's unspoken intent about what is so and what is possible. Only one who sets himself aside can receive the sage's teaching. It is a big blunder to think otherwise. Available to anyone, the sage illuminates everyone's potential. Who imagines caging the wind with frames of human reference? Who is good but one who can turn bad toward good? What is bad but an opportunity awaiting the good? Who can teach but for one not already free from answers? Who can learn except for one guided by questions? It is easy to be lost when your direction is uncertain. It is harder to remain lost when certainties surround you like sharks. The secret is listening to the darkness and letting the Tao reveal the mysteries of the way.